Right, tonight we're fitting these wide guards.
Oh, that's not really with the video.
Yes.
What's up guys? Lack of recording, but quite a bit's gone down. You know, you just get in that zone and it just becomes too effort to record. So, and the stuff I've been doing hasn't really been that interesting. But today, I'm going to go over a few things of what I've been doing, and we've got some goodies here. These are Origin plus 50mm front fenders. So I'm going to be putting those on because the new wheels I've got coming are definitely not going to fit. So these are already sticking out the guard, these ugly chromies, and the new ones are going to be like out here somewhere. So there's a comparison of where it's sitting now. It's going to be interesting to see how much wider it looks with those on. But anyway, finished up the dash. I'm so pleased with how it came out. Like this top part, look how mint that is. It did get a bit challenging going like around the vents and stuff, but as you can see, all the vents are in and everything. Just got to put the carbon pieces back in, but like it's full streetcar spec. But yeah, I got there. I'm very stoked with that. But yeah, anyway, what else I've been doing is got the seats in for the last time, I hope. So had to take everything back out, and I've got the black carpet in here now. That also looks mint, matches everything else. Looks so much better than if I was gonna just put this original grey carpet in. That just tops it right there, that black carpet. Also mounted the harnesses roughly. So what I've done, I mounted this side here to the factory seat hole, and then as for the rear, I had to drill a hole. I just went into the tunnel there. Not sure if you can see properly. So yeah, what I've done is drilled into the tunnel, put an eyelid through, and then put this plate on the other side just for more surface area. But yeah, everything's looking pretty damn good here. Seats fully mounted, feels good. Everything's coming along nicely. It's actually coming out better than I thought. I originally was just gonna kind of just put it together, and if it worked, it worked. But it's actually starting to look nice, which is surprising for me, because I usually start to rush stuff and it doesn't come out that good. Bit of a front-on view with everything there. So yeah, there's not actually much to go now. All I've got to do is plug in the rest of the wiring for the dash and stuff, and then we'll be ready for a drive, hopefully this weekend even, maybe. But then other than that, just waiting for the front wheels to turn up, sort all the front fitment out, and also got to do the rear over fenders at some stage, but that costs a whole lot more and it's not that necessary at the moment. But also planning on painting the car pretty soon too. I thought I may do it whilst the windscreen is out, and I'll take all the door cards off. I want to do it all properly and get all inside the doors and stuff, and then that way I can switch the door cards from the Cresta, and we'll have black door cards as well. This car's going to be mint. Everyone goes on about the Tour V interiors and tries to get them, but I reckon the black interior is way better. And I'm just lucky I've got a spare parts car here. As you can see, got a whole lot of glue on my bonnet from doing the dash, but I really didn't care because the car's getting painted anyway. Scratches and all sorts. But yeah, I'm stoked with the progress. So now I'm gonna try fit these. I'm impatient. I've already unwrapped them and unbolted these, so slide that off like that. And then go get the new one, which will be this side here, and pop it on. These do not have any holes, so I'm going to have to drill all the holes and try to get it fitting right. What's this going on? Alright, there we go, something like that. So I'm going to have to trim this and everything. Holy, that sticks out way more. See, the tyre was poking before, now it's way in. And as you can see, got this big lip here which I'm going to have to cut right out to get the perfect fitment. Jesus, that is not bad. I'll pop the other side on. Something like that. It's not sitting quite right, but see how the front end view is like. Holy crap, that is a monster. Jesus. And that's with the wheels sitting in. That looks so wide. These cars are already wide from factory. So, judging by my calculations, the track width of this thing is going to be like over 2 meters with the new wheels, which also means it's not going to fit on my trailer. But I'm just going to have to put different wheels on just to get it on the trailer. Not bad, not bad. That's sick. That's a huge bulge there. It actually looks more than 50. I was a bit worried that these weren't going to be big enough because I know how far the wheels are going to stick out. I was thinking I may even have to get 75s, but I'll wait and see once the wheels get here. There was no 75s in the country, so that'll be ex-Japan. I'll see how we go anyway, otherwise I might just have to go monster truck spec so it doesn't hit the guards until this 75's turn up in the country. So yeah, now I've got to start drilling holes and mounting it properly. I also went and purchased this file sander so I can work my magic on the edges and stuff to get it fitting perfect. One other thing, oof, that hurt. So I ran all the wiring from the back right down the side here, and I didn't think any of these trims were going to fit again. So this fits like perfectly against the gussets on the side intrusions here, and pop it up and all the wiring's tucked underneath there. Bloody magic. This is literally like a full-on normal street car just with a roll cage. Only thing letting it down is this rear now. Just looks out of place and messy. So Koro actually came up with a pretty good idea to make like a plate up here and wrap it, or like suede that or something too, or just paint it black. I don't know, just need to tidy up that and the whole car should look pretty sick. She's cozy, alright. Got the ECU and stuff down there I need to tuck up somewhere. I want to put the glove box back in just so it looks a bit more legit. Also, with these harnesses I went with the cam lock style. Just makes it so much easier to get out of. The other style's a bit of a pain when you've got passengers that haven't used them before and and they don't know how to do them up. Those are simple. Clip them in and unclick yourself whenever. I can't remember what you're supposed to do. I think you're supposed to have the release facing down so it doesn't undo itself accidentally on your body. I may be wrong, I can't remember. I may have to switch that round, but easy enough. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to get to work on drilling the holes in these and filing them down to fit perfectly. Quite a bit of work to be done, eh?
What's your thoughts on that?
Difficult.
Hella flush? Hella flush.
Alright, so didn't really record because I didn't really know how to, but I've pretty much got these guards fitted up here. It's actually pretty damn difficult. This is the first time I've actually fitted wider guards on. Just trying to get like the gaps everywhere all perfect, and these never fit 100% perfect. There's always a bit of trimming and stuff to do, but I've got them pretty decent. Yeah, it's pretty challenging because you go to drill the holes. Obviously it doesn't come with holes already pre-drilled, so you go to line it up and then you can't see where the thread for the hole is, so you kind of have to semi-wing it, drill the hole, and then it's not bang on, so you have to, well, what I done, probably a better way to do it, I just had to slot the hole so I could get the bolts back in. It's not the best, but it's worked and it looks pretty decent. Still a bit of fine tuning to do, like the gaps and the fitment's not perfect up here. Just have to work some more magic with old mate over here. But yeah, can't complain too much. Having a bit of trouble fitting the indicators. I'm not sure why they're not going in. Something's hitting. I've tried to trim it a little bit, but have to do a bit more fine tuning on that. But yeah, she's looking good. This car that was once a missile's actually looking half decent now. We're getting there. It's almost about time to start figuring out the colour and get this thing painted. That's about the last thing that needs to be done, really, besides getting more power and stuff and bigger turbo. But yeah, I think I'm going to wrap up this video here. Didn't really record much, so just trying to get shit done instead of recording every little thing. I only get like half an hour to an hour to work on my car each day, so unfortunately not recording much action, more of just it's more of just an update video. But in the next one, new wheels will be here, and trust me, they're bloody fire. I can't wait. But yeah, I'm gonna end it there. Hopefully go for a drive and maybe the next video too. So yeah, see you in the next one.